Hey guys, so for this video I'm going to show you how to transfer points between your Chase cards. So first thing that you need to do is you're going to log in to your Chase account. Then once you're logged in, you're going to see your cards, right? And for this example, I got 3 Chase cards, and for this one I got the Chase Sapphire Preferred card and other Chase Business card. So what you're going to do is just select any of these cards. So for example, let's do Chase Sapphire Preferred. Then click on this, the redeem button right here. Alright. So then click on any of these. Then it'll take you to this window. So what you're gonna do is click on this. Then it's gonna show you all these options. So now at the very end, you can click combine points. Then what you're gonna do is click which card you want to transfer the points from. So for example, I want to transfer from this card, this business card. This is the Chase Inc. Business Cash. Then I want to transfer it to the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So you gotta just click. So you just need to. That's my Filipino accent. Sorry guys. So you're gonna make sure to click the the checkbox for both. Then on this window, figure out how much you want to transfer points from. So from this card, how many do you want to transfer? So let's just say you want to transfer everything. So that's 100,900 points. Then click review. Then it'll ask you, does everything looks okay? If everything looks okay, hit submit. And that should be it. So to check if it went through, just go back again. So like right now here, you can see that's the points were transferred to the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So that's that. So if you want to transfer again, you can select your other card and select which card do you want to transfer the points to. So that should be it, guys. So if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, bye.